This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS5 UI lag. Many players experience slow menus and unresponsive controls, which can be frustrating. First, perform a full power cycle by holding the power button for 3 seconds, waiting for it to turn off completely. Then, unplug the console from the wall outlet for at least 30 seconds. This clears temporary data and can often resolve minor glitches. A simple restart is surprisingly effective for most issues. If a restart does not help, consider rebuilding your console's database. This option is found in Safe Mode, which you can access by holding the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database, then choose Rebuild Database. Also, check your storage. If it is nearly full, try freeing up at least 50 gigabytes. Adequate storage ensures your console has space for all its operations. Always ensure your PlayStation 5 is running the latest system software version. Navigate to Settings, then System, and select System Software Update and Settings to check for updates. Additionally, you can clear the cache by fully powering down the console, unplugging it for 60 seconds, then plugging it back in and restarting. This process helps remove any temporary files that might be causing your UI to lag, ensuring smoother navigation. Boiling is another excellent and very quick way to prepare your snow crab legs. Begin by filling a large pot with plenty of water, ensuring there is enough space for the crab legs to be fully submerged. Add a generous pinch of salt to the water, then bring it to a rapid, rolling boil. Carefully place the thawed crab legs into the actively boiling water. Let them boil for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, just long enough to heat them through completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.